So we've had an amazing week this week when it comes to casting. This has long since been one of the key enabling technologies to allow us to make GT50 as cost effective as we all want it to be. Essentially, during the course of this week, we've completed the shelling for the next batch of gas generator turbine blades. So over the course of the last week, we've created another one of these trees in wax. We've developed a ceramic shell that's much thinner. It's just a thin casing of ceramic slurry over the material that we want to cast. That's cooking tonight, actually. That's curing in the oven overnight tonight, and then tomorrow we'll be making the next set of GT50 gas generator blades, which should yield a smaller grain size and improved mechanical properties.